Welcome back, everybody. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook step by step. This integration is extremely useful because it allows you to sync your emails, contacts, and calendar events between both platforms, helping you manage communication, customer relationships, and scheduling much more efficiently. Whether you work in sales, customer support, marketing, or business management, connecting HubSpot with Outlook can save you time by keeping all your important information connected in one place. Instead of constantly switching between platforms, you'll be able to track emails, manage meetings, and organize customer interactions directly inside your workflow. So, with that said, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once the website loads, click on the Sign In button located near the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to access your HubSpot account. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can quickly create one or start with the free version to test the available features before upgrading to a paid plan. After signing in successfully, you'll arrive at the HubSpot dashboard. This dashboard acts as the central workspace for your marketing, sales, customer service, and reporting tools. Think of it as the control center where all your business activity is managed. Now that you're inside HubSpot, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Look for the Marketplace icon. It usually appears as a small shopping bag symbol. Click on this icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select App Marketplace. This area contains all the official integrations and third-party apps that work with HubSpot. The Marketplace is useful because it allows you to connect HubSpot with tools you already use every day, including communication apps, scheduling software, CRMs, automation platforms, and productivity tools. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll notice a search bar near the top of the screen. Click into the search field and type Outlook, then press Enter on your keyboard. HubSpot will now display several Outlook-related integration results. Carefully look through the list and locate the official Microsoft Outlook integration for HubSpot. Choosing the official integration is important because it ensures reliable syncing, better security, and ongoing support updates from Microsoft and HubSpot. When you find the correct listing, click on it to open the Integration Details page. On this page, you'll see information explaining what the integration can do. Features typically include email tracking, automatic contact syncing, calendar integration, meeting scheduling, and activity logging. Take a few moments to review these features so you understand exactly how the integration can improve your workflow and help your team stay organized. Next, look for the Install App button and click on it to begin the setup process. Before continuing, there's one important thing to keep in mind. This integration requires an active Microsoft 365 subscription in order to work correctly. Make sure your Outlook account is connected to Microsoft 365 before moving forward. After clicking Install, HubSpot will guide you through the authorization process. You'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account and approve the necessary permissions. These permissions allow HubSpot and Outlook to securely exchange information like emails, contacts, and calendar events. This step is completely normal for integrations like this. Once you approve the permissions, the connection process will finish automatically. After setup is complete, your HubSpot and Microsoft Outlook accounts will now be integrated successfully. From this point forward, you'll be able to streamline communication, keep your contacts synchronized, track customer interactions more efficiently, and improve your overall workflow without constantly switching between platforms. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with others who may want to connect HubSpot with Outlook more efficiently. See you in the next video.